Pero magabasa kita ani diri sa verse 26 down to verse 33.
Matthew 10.
Okay? So Matthew chapter 10 verse 26, basahon ko diri kag inyo lang gid pagkasundot sa inyong Bible. Fear them not therefore, for there is nothing covered that shall not be revealed, and hid that shall not be known. What I tell you in darkness, that speak ye in light, and what ye hear in the ear, that preach ye upon the housetops. And fear not them which kill the body, but are not able to kill the soul, but rather fear him which is able to destroy both soul and body in hell. Are not two sparrows sold